everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be just playing around with makeup basically and making a clown look. I have an idea for what I want with my hair. I don't really have an idea for what I want for my eye makeup. So we shall see. It'll be fun just to play around and experiment. So if you want to see how I get this clown makeup for Halloween pulled together, then just keep watching. All right, everybody. So I've already got my foundation on, concealer on, powders on. I'm baking underneath the eyes because I'm going to do some eyeshadow, and I've got my brows on. So I'm going to start off with doing one of my eyes and then doing the other one separate because they are going to be two totally separate things. So we're going to start off with and I'm going to jump around a lot with palettes just because I need like rainbow colors. So I'm going to start off with this Smashbox Bold Color Shot palette and going in with the yellow. Okay, yellow is in the complete crease, and I just had to go over that like a billion times to really pack on the color. And of course, if you wanted to do your eyeshadow first for Fallout, you most definitely could. I don't know what possessed me to do my foundation first, but we're going with it. We're going and rolling with it. So now we are going to go in with some orange, and I'm actually going to use the same exact palette going into this orange shade right here, and I'm going to be using a smaller brush. Okay, just going in with a smaller, more transition or crease-like brush with this orange. And I'm going to start down lower on the side of the lid and the crease, and then I'm blending that down. And lastly, I'm going to go in with a red shade, but rather than using the one from that Smashbox palette, I'm going into Blood Moon right here from the Sephora Pro 2.0. I'm using a really dense, short, bristled brush, and I'm going to start patting this all over the lid. And then once I've got the red packed on, I'm just going back in with the orange and the yellow and just diffusing those two shades, blending it all out so that you can really see each of the colors. Just because right now that orange is kind of smashed in between the two, and so we're just going to build up that color a little bit more. Okay, so that's what I've got for that eye, and then I am going to go ahead and do a highlight as well. Okay, and for this highlight, I'm just going into the Jaclyn Hill palette and using that. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other eye, but with the cooler shades of the rainbow. So we're going into this purple shade in the Smashbox palette. And then we're going to go into this blue right here. And then lastly on this eye, I'm going into this green shade right here. And then for this very cool eye, I'm going to go in with a highlight from the Editorial Sephora Pro palette. And I'm using this shade right here titled Psychic. I'm going to be going in next with this white makeup crayon that I got in a pack of 5 from Walmart, and I'm going to be creating a triangle above each eyebrow, and then also to create the illusion that it's going all the way down through underneath the eye as well. So I'm going to do that on both eyes. So I'm going to go in next with each of the colors that I've used on the eyes, but I'm just going to go to the opposite eye. So on this eye will be the green, blue, and purple, and then on this eye will be the orange, red, and yellow, and it's going to be going from the inside out to the tip as far as how the gradient will look. So I'm starting off with this green right here, and that is going to be right on the bottom. So I just realized that I was not recording whenever I did this eye, but I literally did the exact same thing. I just took a flat brush and laid down each of the colors. So now what I'm going to do is use an eyeliner right here, and this is just the Kat Von D ink liner in Trooper Black, and I'm going to just outline each of those triangles. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with some glitter, and I'm going to be using some NYX glitter glue. Just taking my finger, and I'm actually going to go ahead and do both of them at the same time, and just pat on to the first shade. So it'll be green over here on this side, and yellow on the other. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is add some super rosy cheeks, so just using this Sephora colorful blush in Shame on You. I'm actually just going to go right here around the tip of this triangle. So I want it all to stay right here in the front. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with a lip color, and this is going to be a regular lip with an extended end on it as well. So I'm just going to start off with the regular lip, and I am going to overdraw the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and just make it more precise with this lip liner from Sephora collection in the shade The Red. Alright everybody, I'm back. Hair's curled, hair sprayed with some color, and also I forgot to tell you one little step that I did that well, two things actually. So one is that I added a red nose on. I didn't want to forget that, of course, I'm a clown. I have to have a nose, even though I didn't really want to draw a huge red nose all over my already very long nose. So I did a little nose. That way I have it. And then also, I'm not happy about these lashes. They look good as far as like the length. They're very like dramatic. Yeah. But like look up here. So you can see the silver through it. But it's not on the opposite side. In this picture, look at this picture. Can you see that? You can clearly see strips of silver. So I was like, oh, this is going to be like this huge, like, just like bang, bang, like crazy clown. Like this is perfect. No, you let me down, you little Halloween essentials, because your picture is not the way that your lashes actually are. But other than that, I'm satisfied. The lashes are the only thing. So that is it for today's video. If you liked this tutorial and want to see one more, maybe I can fit one more look in before Halloween, I will possibly be able to on Monday. So if you want to see that, let me know down in the subscription box. And if you like this video, thumbs up for sure. And I want to know, with it being so close to Halloween, what are you going for as Halloween this year? Whether it's to a party, whether you're younger and you're going trick-or-treating, or whether you make videos too, let me know what you are doing for Halloween. And if you've got it in a video or a picture, I want to see it. Let me know, because I love Halloween. I love getting inspiration, and I just want to be able to talk and share and be a community in the comments down below. So yeah, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.